This is Andy. And this is a 6-stair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is Andy ollieing the 6-stair. But how does he do it? The simple answer is physics. Physics is the scientific study of matter, energy, motion, and force. So with physics, we can basically understand and calculate everything Andy is doing. So how about we calculate Andy's ollie? So we freeze the frame where Andy is just engaging his ollie, and we figure out the angle in which Andy is ollieing at, which is approximately 45 degrees, and the 6-stair is approximately 4 feet in length. Now, knowing these two elements, you can calculate the speed it'll take Andy to ollie the 6-stair completely. We use the equation delta x times g divided by sine of 2 theta, or angle, which equals velocity squared. Delta x is the difference between x final position and x initial position, which in this case is 4 feet, which is the distance of our 6-stair. G, or gravity on this earth, is at a constant of negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Velocity is the speed in which Andy is skateboarding at. And theta is our angle, in which I stated before. Now what do we do with all these values? Well, we plug them into our equation, which will end up looking like 4 feet times negative 9.8 meters per second squared divided by the sine of 2 theta, or 45 degrees. Now we calculate everything. 4 feet can be converted into 1.2 meters, which times negative 9.8 meters per second squared is equal to 11.76 meters per second squared. And the sine of 2 times 45, or 90, is equal to 1. So our velocity is equal to 11.76 meters per second squared. And then we find the square root of both sides, so we can get velocity by itself, and we come out to approximately 3.4 meters per second, which is approximately 7.6 miles per hour. While our results were calculated under perfect conditions, and the fact that it's extremely hard to calculate friction on one's wheels as well as human error, we still got a pretty close approximation as to what Andy's speed probably was. So, what can you do with this information? Well, maybe you could go and check out the pros, and when they're stunning you with their amazing tricks, you can stun them with your amazing math skills.
Fuck, I'm gonna do that.